I have here 50 grams of peanuts. Press start. So it takes 3 minutes to roast. Hi friends, I've already posted a video explaining the various features and control panel of this Panasonic Microwave Oven CT353, and in this video I'm going to explain and show how to select the Autocook menu options in this microwave oven. This microwave oven has got 61 Autocook menu options. So come on, let's see. So these 61 menu options are broadly divided into 9 categories. Number 1, Express. Number 2, Indian menu. Number 3 is a rice menu. 4th is a soup and snack. 5th is tandoori menu. 6th is gourmet. 7th is a health menu. 8th, kids menu. And lastly, the dessert menu. So let's now see each category and find out what are the different recipes in each category. So when I press this button Express, the first menu option, you get 1. Actually, there are 3 options for this first menu, reheating soup. We have to use the up and down arrow to go to the next recipe or the previous recipe. If you press up arrow, it goes to 1, 2 and 1, 3. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 is for reheating soup of different quantities. 1, 1 is for 1 cup or 1 bowl of soup. 2 is for 2 bowls and 3 is for 3 servings. So the pressing of next up arrow takes me to the second option in Express, and 2 again has got 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. 3 options in the second menu. That is, this is called coffee chai option. The 1, 2, 3 is for making 1, 2 or 3 cups of tea or coffee. So the next up arrow will take me to menu 3. And here, as you can see, there is only number 3 displayed. There is no further option in this. So option 3, 4, 5, 6. All these have single option only. There are no second option in this like we had in reheating soup and making tea or coffee. So they are all single recipes. Now if you press up arrow again, it will go back to the first option in the Express menu. It will keep repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 as you go up and down. It will keep repeating. So let us go back to 3. And number 3 is for reheating fried items. And this is for a fixed amount, fixed quantity of 400 grams of reheating of things like kachori, samosa, vada, donut, puff, etc. Any snack item which has to be reheated can be done by selecting this option 3 in the Express menu. Next, 4. Option 4 is for making, it's called buna masala. It is for making gravy using onion, tomato and other spices. This is also for a fixed quantity. Number 5. This is for roasting nuts like almonds, cashew, peanuts, etc. And this is also for a fixed quantity of 50 grams. Number 6. Option is for roasting rava or atta and for a fixed quantity of 100 grams. So if you want to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity, accordingly you have to adjust the time, then you will be experimenting. If you go as per auto menu, this is what it will be for a fixed quantity, fixed time. Now the second category is Indian menu, and this Indian menu is mainly for different Indian curries and gravies, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian, and the menu options are from 7 to 18. And let's see what they are. So 7 is for aloo matar, 8 is for fish fry, 9 is for chicken kadai masala, 10 is for chutney fish, 11 will help you make potato curry. By selecting 12, you can make paneer makhni. 13 option helps you to make shahi mushroom curry. 14 is recipe for veg hot pot. 15 is dal tadka. 16 is malai kofta. With 17, you can do prawn, malai curry, and 18th recipe is for cooked chicken. Now, again, if you press the up arrow, it takes back to the first recipe of this second category, Indian menu. So now let's go to the third category, which is the rice menu. And that starts from 19 to 21. There are only 3 recipes in this. So let's see what they are. 19 is for fish pulao. 20 is recipe for steamed rice, and 21 is for veg biryani. The fourth category is soup and snack, and here the options are from 22 to 28. Let's see what they are. 22 is for making pav bhaji. 23 is for chili cheese toast. Option 24 will give you recipe for aloo tikki. If you select 25, it will make, you can make fish cutlet. 26 is for rasam. 27 is for tomato soup. 28 recipe is for chicken vegetable soup. So these are the 6 options in the soup snack menu. Now over to the fifth category, that is tandoori menu. So starting from 29 to 35, you have 7 menu options in this tandoori menu. As the name suggests, these are recipes for tandoori preparations. So let's see what are they. 29 is for paneer tikka. 30 is for tandoori chicken. 31 is for chicken tikka. 32 is hara bara kebab. 33 gives a recipe for tandoori aloo. 34 is recipe for sheikh kebab, and 35 is for stuffed platter. So that's all for the tandoori menu. Next, over to the sixth category, which is gourmet. So that starts from 36. There are 5 options here from 36 to 40. Let's see what they are. 36 is for making pizza. 37, you can use it for making pasta. 38th menu is for Lebanese lemon chicken. 39 is for Thai curry, and 40 is for veg Manchurian. For healthy menu options, you select this category health menu, which goes from it starts from 41 and goes up to 48. There are 8 recipes in this. So 41 is for, it's just for roasting papad. 42 is for sprout chana chaat. 43 is for making poha. 44 is for making idli. 45 is for dokla. 46 is for upma. 47 is for steaming fish, and 48 is for making omelette. 8th category is a kids menu. As the name suggests, it's special menu for kids. Not that adults can't eat those food items. There are 9 recipes starting from 49 to 57. So 49 is for brownies. I'm sure everyone loves brownies. 50 is for apple pie. 51 is for raisin muffins. 52 recipe is for fruit cake. 53 option is for cheese crackers. 54 is used for making cookies, which again everyone loves. And this 55, there's no age for that, French fries. 56 is for popcorn, and 57 recipe is for sweet corn chaat. Now the last category is the dessert menu. Starting from 58 to 61, there are only 4 recipes. So 58 is for sweet custard. 59 is for suji alwa. 60 is for besan ladu, and 61 option is for rice kheer. There ends the menu options 1 to 61. You have seen all the 9 categories and the different menu options. So this is the manual which comes along with the microwave oven, and as shown here, this is the auto menu chart or the list of menu options, program number 1 to 61. And one thing I would like to share is that every option will have instructions. They give the recipe which mentions the ingredients, the quantity, and how to make it. How to make in the sense, what exactly you have to do. You have to just assemble all the ingredients, and then what is the procedure to follow. Against every recipe, they have shown what accessory has to be used. Like if you see like this, it means the turntable and the wire rack. So this one has got both the turntable and the wire rack. If you see this one or this menu here, they have used only the turntable. Of course, there will be a mention of a micro safe bowl. So if you're making tomato soup, you cannot keep it on a turntable. So first thing they mentioned is combine butter, garlic, onion in a micro safe bowl and place in oven. So you need a micro safe bowl. You can use something like this. Depending on what you're making, whether it's a soup or a pasta or some gravy, you can use something like this, small or big depending on the quantity. If the recipe involves some grill or convection, You may need to use something like this, which is heat resistant, which can be used both in the grill and convection mode. You can find these in Amazon or Flipkart for steaming small quantity of vegetables or reheating food items. You can use this for you can use it for steam with the lid. You can just place it like this so that there is enough space for steam to escape. So basically, these auto cook menu options are made to make cooking simpler. You have to just assemble all the ingredients, follow the procedure, and do as instructed in the menu option. If they say put these ingredients in a bowl, mix it, select the option, select category, and then start, just do that. And if there is any beep sound or something, again there will be an instruction there to ask you to either stir it or change the container or add something else at that point of time. So just follow the instructions, and there is a preset time for the preset quantity of food that is going to be prepared. By the end of the time, your food is ready to be taken out and served. So that's it about the Autocook menu options and how to select them. Hope you liked watching the video and you find it very useful. Any of you have this model or any other Panasonic microwave model? Have you tried any of the Autocook menu options? You can share your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Bhuvana.